Hey everybody! ARK Invest has become one of the hottest and most talked about ETFs. Today we'll be going through what ARK Invest is and why they have gained such popularity. ARK Invest is a thematic ETF centered around investing in innovation and growth. The fund has 5 major actively managed ETFs centered around different themes, with ARK KK serving as the primary fund with all the major holdings across the different themes. ARK first came to prominence in the mainstream media through their bullish takes on Tesla. As Tesla's stock price took off in 2020, more attention began to be paid towards ARK and their research. ARK's investment philosophy is centered around a principle called Wright's Law. Wright's Law predicts that the costs of new technology will decline at an exponential rate as opposed to linear rate. In turn, this will drive adoption rates to grow exponentially. There are 5 major technologies that ARK believes are following Wright's Law. They refer to these as their innovation platforms as they act as the launchpad for additional technologies to be built off of them. These are artificial intelligence, energy storage, robotics, DNA sequencing, and blockchain technology. ARK believes that the convergence of these technologies will cause industries to be disrupted. An example of this would be Tesla, where the energy storage enables battery electric vehicles to be produced cheaper, artificial intelligence will enable full self-driving, and robotics enables efficiencies in manufacturing. Now that we have a basic understanding of what ARK Invest is, let's get to the pros and cons of ARK. The first major positive of ARK Invest is transparency. ARK publishes all their trades at the end of every day. You can either sign up for a notification from their website, or there are numerous other websites that aggregate this information. Besides their transactions, ARK regularly publishes white papers and has their own podcasts where they discuss in depth on different technologies. This is extremely helpful as a starting basis for research for many retail investors. The second benefit is domain knowledge. Due to the complex nature of these technologies, ARK also believes that current financial institutions are not equipped to understand them, leading them to undervalue disruption. ARK Invest focus on hiring analysts from varying disciplines to give them deeper insight on the different technologies. Many of these areas are difficult to understand and require specific backgrounds to fully appreciate the level of complexity. This is particularly important as some of these technologies could be a winner-take-most scenario. Finally, ARK is focused on generating outsized returns in the long run. They have a time horizon of 5 years and are focused on the big picture instead of short-term objectives. This is in contrast to other institutions that focus on the upcoming quarters. The companies they invest in are focused on reinvesting income into growth rather than showing profits. This is more or less aligned to my view of investing, which is to take on more risk in order to maximize long-term gains. One downside to investing with ARK Invest is their mandatory diversification requirements for their portfolios. They have a maximum allotment of 10% of their portfolio for any individual stock. While this is common practice amongst hedge funds, this limits the upside as they have to sell off their winners in order to meet this diversification requirement. In 2020, ARK Invest had to sell off Tesla numerous times as the stock had outsized gains relative to the rest of the portfolio. For investors that are willing to take on more risk, you can make higher returns buying the individual stock. So in summary, what do I think about ARK? For the retail investor, I think they are a gold mine of information. They have helped me to identify several focus areas and gave me a sense of what stocks I wanted to follow. I also think they're great for people that want to invest in specific ideas, but lack the domain expertise to pick out companies. Although I'm not invested in any of ARK's ETFs, I often listen to their podcasts and read their papers for information. Even if you are not interested in investing into the same stocks, their research is still valuable at knowing which industries to avoid investing in. For those that are interested in learning more, I recommend reading the Big Ideas 2021 report and the Bad Investment Ideas report. Both of those are good starting points for learning about ARK's key ideas. They give you an idea what industries you should look out for and which industries you should stay away from. I've put a link in the description below. So that's it for today's video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.